मेरी चाची का फोन आया था। कमीनी कह रही थी मुस्लिम लड़का क्यों? मैंने भी बोल दिया आशा की खुशी है, बस मैटर ओवर। क्यों बेटा, खुश रखेगा ना हमारी आशा को?
जी
जरा ऊंचा बोल, पंजाबियों का घर है।
जी जी खुश रखूंगा.
من دبي معانا كل الكاست مال توتال سيابا معانا أكيد. الوسيم, you're gonna say your name. I'm not gonna say your name.
My name is Ali Zafar.
You have to take this. معانا أكيد الوسيم والمتألق وصاحب الإبداع.
انتي جميلة انتي
Oh,
جميلة.
thank you, Ali Zafar. And the beautiful
كيف حالك؟
actress.
Yes,
Of
beautiful
course.
actress, Yami Gautam.
The beautiful actress.
Thank you, thank you. Pleasure being here.
The pleasure always is to meet you in Bombay and in Dubai. And it's nice to see the director of the film and the producer of the film and everyone here. Let's talk about the film, starting with you, Ali. Tell us more about the character in the film, please.
Well, I play a Pakistani boy. His name is Aman, and Aman is in love with Asha, and they both want to get married. And she takes him home to meet her parents. Her family is a little loud and over the top, and they have very strong bias against Pakistanis, most of them. So he's in a weird situation. He's stuck in that situation where the entire family doesn't approve of the guy, and he's trying to make the best out of the situation, and so is she, and try to convince her family that it's okay, you know. And so that story of one day when from one situation comes another situation which is even more funny, and from one accident to another accident, and it's a comedy of errors in a way. So that 1.5 day what happens in Aman's and Asha's lives as Aman goes to meet her parents, and there's that awkward situation, and the hilariousness of the entire situation is what the film Total Siapa is about.
और कौन कौन है तुम्हारी फैमिली में?
जी फैमिली में अब्बू हैं, अम्मी हैं, 3 भाई हैं जी, 4 बहनें हैं, मैं खुद हूँ माशाल्लाह.
और बेटा तुम लोग इंडिया में कहाँ से हो?
मैं जी
मम्मी पाकिस्तानी है.
कौन?
मैं
Well, let's talk to Yami now and tell us more about the character in the film.
Yeah, I play a girl called Asha, an Indian girl, Indian Punjabi girl. The story is set in London, and yeah, he's right. I belong to this mad Punjabi family, and it's one of those days when you've planned, you know, the whole day, and you're pretty confident that yeah, I'll handle everything. She hasn't told her mother that you know he's a Pakistani. Just told her the half truth and how she takes him home. And if you've seen the trailer, how Kiranji reacts and Pakistani, you know, and that's just the beginning of Siapa and what follows next. So the whole day goes for a toss, how we come out of it, how we cope up with it, but all that, you know, in a funny, light-hearted way. So yeah, that's what Total Siapa is all about.
Yeah, I'm sure there were so many funny and you know, crazy moments in the film. This is what I'm gonna discover it from the director of the film. How was it to work with Ali Zafar and Yami? How was the chemistry? I'm sure it was a brilliant chemistry. I watched the trailer, but you have to say.
No, it's
To tell
beautiful
me.
because they really worked hard on the characters, and their chemistry is really amazing. But the challenge of this film is like to keep the pace of one day. The whole story sets in one day, and the whole edit pace, and then you have to feel that it's happening in one day. So that was the most challenging part.
Yeah, it is one day, but I'm sure it took you like how many days for the shoot?
28 days.
28 days.
28 days in London.
Yes.
In London. Pura film, London.
Yes.
Okay. So how was the production going on for the film?
I think the production was essentially a one schedule, you know, go to London and back kind of a production. And it went very smooth. I think the whole team, especially the London line producer, AK Enterprises, which handled the line production, was pretty efficient and
I
everything
think
went on
it's too
quite
easy
well.
to work in London than other places. I mean, it's
London is
they're
getting
very
to be a
cooperative.
popular
Yeah.
destination for shooting Bollywood films now. There are also tax credits that are available, which gives an additional incentive for producers to shoot there. But you know, the weather was also, I think, probably a little cold. Weather is the only consideration because if you don't get daylight, much daylight, of course,
Yeah,
in this
of
film,
course.
that was not one of the consideration. But other producers, for other productions, one normally goes a period in year where you get sufficient daylight to shoot outdoors. So
Okay.
that's the only consideration. Otherwise, it's a great shooting location.
Cool. Ali, working, mashallah, with veteran actors like Kiran and Anupam Kher, how was it?
It was a fantastic experience to work with Kiran Kherji and Anupam Kherji because they're both not just wonderful actors but also wonderful people to know, and it's absolutely
Beautiful couple.
yeah, beautiful
I love
couple, hilarious, and it was an absolute delight to work with them. Kiran Kherji's role, when you'll see in the film, she'll crack you up in many different scenes, and she's amazing in the film, and which is what makes it much easier for all of us actually to kind of react to that loud tone that she comes up with and that boldness and all of that, and it was just fantastic.
जय माता दी, सारे बोलो जय माता दी मिलके।
ये लड़का है कि लड़की है?
आज ये बंदा तुम मरेगा मेरे हाथों।
जब से आया हो कभी को संतरा मार रहा है, कभी को गोली मार रहा है, कभी को गाली दे रहा है, कभी को धमकी दे रहा है।
और फ्रीजर में सूप रखा है, उसे डिफ्रॉस्ट कर देना।
एक से बढ़कर एक नमूना इकट्ठा किया हुआ है खानदान ने।
ये पागल है।
लगता है मेरे हाथों वो बंदा मर गया है।
कि मेरी फैमिली किसी से मिलने के लायक ही नहीं है।
नहीं पुत्र, हम नालायक नहीं है, वो पाकिस्तानी है, समझा कर। ये शादी कभी वर्किंग नहीं करेगी बेटा।
अब मेरी छोड़ो, अपनी शादी को संभालो।
क्या मैं सुंदर नहीं हूँ?
आप आशा की माँ है जी।
एक सेकंड के लिए भूल जा।
बड़ा मुश्किल है।
कोशिश तो कर ले बेटा।
Talking about fantastic, I'm sure there were some fantastic moments that you remember from the film while shooting.
I think a lot of them, because the film script is it's funny. It's so number of times while performing,
It's light comedy.
Yeah, so you do feel very you do laugh, at your own scenes, or watching, especially Kiranji perform and Ali perform. At times it's happened, but especially certain sequences. I remember shooting outdoors when he was Sir's talking in like -3, -4. That wasn't funny, but yeah, we were trying to still create some comedy. But I really remember that cold weather, London cold weather. I don't think I'm ever going to forget that.
Yeah, I know the weather. It's crazy in London. So talking about craziness, I'm sure in every Bollywood film, we Arabs, we love what's going to happen in the film as music. Any favorites of your tracks, Ali?
Well, I've composed and written the songs and sung them also, so if I say so myself, it'll sound a little strange.
Ali, we love all the tracks that you've composed, and especially I think Palat Meri Jaan is my personal favorite. And I think all the songs, I think Nahi Maloom, we were just discussing that it's really gaining a lot of popularity. Even the title track, I think it's very peppy, it's very quirky. So thank you for giving this variation, not just in your acting, but also in the music, Ali. What do you have to say on that?
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you for being the host. Please.
As Yami said, that the music is catching up, which is really good. Music is an integral part of any Bollywood film.
We want to hear something. We don't want to talk.
Okay, there's this tune and little Arabic flavor in it also. So you'll understand.
Okay.
हाँ नहीं मालूम मुझको क्या जगह थी वो जहाँ मैं था, थी महफिल रक्स में मस्ती में बेखुद कल जहाँ मैं था, लबो रुखसार हंसते थे दरो दीवार गाते थे, थरकते थे मटकते थे बदन कल शब जहाँ मैं था, नहीं मालूम मुझको क्या जगह थी वो जहाँ मैं था, नहीं मालूम मुझको क्या जगह।
नहीं, मैं नहीं पीता। मैं नहीं पीता। मैं नहीं पीता जी।
रक्स में मस्ती में बेखुद कल जहाँ मैं था, नहीं मालूम मुझको क्या जगह थी।
ओए रब्बा, पता है पापा जी कितने लोनली रहे हैं। पता नहीं इसने बस कहाँ
फंस गया।
बदन कल शब जहाँ मैं था, नहीं मालूम जगह थी वो जहाँ मैं था, थी महफिल रक्स में मस्ती में बेखुद कल जहाँ मैं था।
Arey wah, mashallah, beautiful.
Thank you.
I have one question. I know it's out of total siyapa, but here Arabs are crazy about football. Yeah, I can see. So everyone here is
Yami is a football fan. She
Yeah,
loves
please.
Ronaldo. Do you
Yeah?
like Ronaldo?
Ronaldo. Oh, yeah. I mean,
Yes,
She was saying that she has a big crush on Ronaldo.
Please, give her the mic. Give her the mic.
And she
yeah.
wishes that
Tell
Ronaldo
her
was
to-
in Total Siapa
Tell
in
us
this
more
movie.
about your feelings. I mean, so that you can.
No,
towards the.
No, you know what? Here's a very interesting story. When they were casting me for the film Total Siapa,
Okay.
Yami said that why don't you cast Ronaldo in that role? He'll totally suit the bill. But thanks to my director, he put his foot down and said, no, we want Ali. So
Ali, why don't you take rest for one more day? I think you need it. I think you need it. Let's give Ali
why don't you take your medication today? You also need it.
You need some more rest.
Thank you guys for this beautiful interview.
So this is what the film is about.
It's
Yeah, between the guy and the girl.
I can see the beautiful chemistry, and of course, everyone should watch Total Siapa.